Hi, this is Don from Cowboy Biker Adventures. Today I have for you area views of Monte Vista RV Resort, which is a top 10 resort in the whole United States. It is an oasis in the desert. This 55 or above resort has so many amenities you would not believe them all. And this area view is going to give you a good look at it. So here is a rundown of all the amenities. It has the usual activity center, bingo and card playing. It has a computer club, line dancing, and swing dancing, along with all the country western dances, weekly dances, bocce ball, water aerobics, dance hall with stage, men and women exercise classes, live entertainment, arts and crafts, card room, creative arts, crafts, classes and projects, silversmithing, ceramics, and wood carving. They have a craft shop and they also have a wood shop. Lawn bowling. They also have ballroom dancing. Let's not forget they have 5 swimming pools. Also over 1,250 residential homes, along with the 237 RV sites with full hookups, 30 and 50 amps. So if you're passing through Mesa, Arizona, this would be a good place to stay. Or if you want to come for the season, they have seasonal rates. Or if you want to come here to live, like I said, they have over 1,250 residential homes here, and some of them are for sale. So now let's just watch the video and listen to the music. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.